If you're converting your high chair into a booster seat, we're first going to need to remove the crossbar and the legs. Grab your Allen key and undo the screws of the crossbar. Now that that's removed, you'll need something pointy to help remove the legs. Grab an unopened pen or a screwdriver and push in the tab and twist the leg until you can pull it out. Repeat this on each leg. Now grab your booster conversion kit that includes a base, back straps, 4 long bolts, 4 short bolts, an Allen key, and 4 little legs. First, let's connect those little legs. Then take the straps for the back and loop it around the legs. Then connect the base by lining up the holes and using the long bolts. Now you're good to go. Just connect it to your adult chair by securing the bottom and back straps around your adult chair and pull tight. We recommend you check the connection before every use.